Catherine Bernardo update. Kinonggra si Catherine ng Star Magic dahil nominee siya sa Film Academy of the Philippines 40 Luna Awards bilang Best Actor sa movie niyang A Very Good Girl. Ngayon pa lang congrats na kay Catherine. At ito naman ay post ni Catherine sa kanyang Instagram about endorsement niyang TCL. Ang ganda pa nga ni Catherine. Sabi ni Catherine, hosting dinner parties, meal preps for the week, late night snack, yes to all, keeping things for fresh has never been easier with our TCL built-in ref. Yan, ang ganda. Ito pa yung post ng Colgate na endorsement ni Catherine. Nag-comment pa nga si John Bill. Ito naman ay post ng Metro Mag PH. An event Catherine recently. Yan for Lancome Idol House and event. Ang ganda ni Catherine dyan. Yan din yung mga admin ng kanyang fans club. Saka yung mga muses na kasama ni Catherine yan sa event ng Lancome. Yan yung mga highlights ni Catherine. First ever brand ambassador ng Lancome. Ito naman about Catherine.
Yes, a few times na. She's one of the nicest and most humble actresses na I've met.
Huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, click on notification bell para na-update po on with your reaction vlog. Bye guys, thank you for watching.